Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah, wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program. We ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. This is the sixth video in Halal Done With You series. If you are new to the series or you are new to the channel, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel right now and go to the description of this video to watch the past videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and share the video to your loved ones. So we are still on code emailing. A lot of people actually reach out to us that they are having issues subscribing to the Sales Navigator on LinkedIn. That's why I'm making this particular video as an alternative. And the alternative we are going to be using is Apollo. Online, there's no doubt that the number one place you can scrape leads is LinkedIn. But when LinkedIn is not available, the best alternative you have is this Apollo.io. When you go to Apollo.io, you click on pricing, you are going to see their pricing. So this for annual billing. Let's put it in monthly billing. So you can see this. But in short, is that Apollo also gives you free 50 email credits. 50 email credits every month. So we are going to be using their free version to scrape it because I don't want you to spend any money in doing this. Since Apollo gives us 50 free emails every month, then we are going to need a lot of emails in order to register on this particular platform to get the number of leads, because we need over 200 leads per day. So we need to register a lot of free trials on this particular platform. So if you are thinking of using your domain emails that we explained in the past video, that you should contribute money to buy domain or something like that, that cannot work using this Apollo, because Apollo only allows you to add 10 domain emails. That means if you buy a particular domain, maybe something.com, and you are creating emails with it, after creating the 10th email, Apollo is not going to allow you to register with such email again. So the only alternative, the only thing we can use here is this Outlook. You are going to be creating free emails using Outlook, and the emails you are going to be using them to register on Apollo for free trial. So what you are going to do is that you come to outlook.live.com. When you go to that place, you are going to come to this particular place. So you click on create free account. You can do this on your phone. So when you come here, you can choose any name you like. So if this is the name I choose, let me check if it is available. Okay. So I will enter the password. So I will continue. I will enter my name. So you enter your name, your country, your date of birth. I'm just choosing something random here. So it's going to bring out this challenge. It's not going to request for your phone number. Okay, the verification is complete now. So my Outlook email is created. You can see it doesn't request for my phone number. So that's how it happens most of the time. Outlook will not request for your phone number in order to create the emails. So you can just create a lot of emails in a day. Maybe you can create 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in a day. If that is possible for you, just write the password and the email down in a particular place. Now, this is my email now. So I will go to Apollo now. I click on sign up for free. When I'm here, you can see I can either enter my domain email or sign up with maybe Microsoft. I click on this Microsoft. That is the Outlook. So that you sign in, I will just click on this. Yes. You can just switch something there. I've successfully created my account with this Apollo. Now, so how do you now use this Apollo? If you are targeting the same thing like we did, maybe fitness coach, just come here, or leadership coach, just come here and search leadership coach. You are not going to be targeting leadership coach, but this is just an example. So when you do that, you can just hit enter. You can see on Apollo, we have 11.2, more than 11,000 leadership coaches on Apollo. So we are going to come to this email status and choose verified. So after choosing verified, because we now have 6.3K, more than 6,000 emails are verified on Apollo. Then you now go to location. So this location now, maybe let me choose United States and see. So we have 3.6, over 3,000 people are based in United States. So then, how do you now scrape? So in order to scrape, you can just click on this one. When you click on it, so because Apollo 2 also displays 25 per page. 1, 2, 3. If you count it to the end, it's going to be 25. So you can just click on all of them, select all the 25. So you select all the 25. When you select them, you now click on this export. So click on this export verified emails only. Click on confirm. I comply. Apollo is going to email you with the. You go to your email now. You should find it there. Let me go to my inbox. You can see this is it here. I can just download the CSV. I can open it. These are the. So these are the. You can see they are all. Look at the title. Leadership coach. Leadership coach. Their name, everything. Their email address, their company address, their phone number. So this is the benefit of Apollo over LinkedIn. Apollo is going to give you phone number that LinkedIn might not give you. So these are their phone numbers. So a lot of information about them. This is it. So after doing this, let's see. So you go back to Apollo, you go to page 2. You do the same thing. Select all the 25 in this page 2. So you also download it. You go to page 3. There's one thing that you should note. Apollo only allows free, we are doing free trial. Only allow us to go to page 4 maximum, sometimes page 5. So for me now that I'm having 3,000, over 3,000 people here, I will only be able to do, if I'm able to do 4 pages, I'll be able to do, that is 4 times 25, only 100 of these people I'll be able to extract. In order to do that, I'm choosing United States here, then I should even choose the states in United States. So if I should use Alabama here now, one of the states in United States, Alabama. You can see Alabama, US. Let's see. You can see this is just 14. So I can quickly scrape everything, all the leadership coaches in Alabama. Then I will go to the next state. With that, I'll be able to scrape all of them in United States. But if you just choose United States, you'll be given number that you won't be able to scrape because you are using free trial of Apollo, which is going to stop at page 4 or page 5. But if you are doing it state by state, you are going to have lesser people to scrape and you will be able to scrape all of them. That is why you should be doing it state by state. In fact, some states will even have maybe 1,000. Then you have to say, okay, the major cities or all the cities in this particular state, you now scrape them city by city again in that state so that you'll be able to scrape everything. This is the method you are going to use. So after scraping a particular state, if this Apollo account is used up, just log out. You create another Outlook account. You register on Apollo again, you scrape. But after creating so many accounts on this Outlook, it might ask for phone number. So if you use your phone number, it's going to continue. The next time, it might not ask for your phone number again. So you continue scraping. You continue creating accounts on Outlook with that phone number. Maybe after creating 5 or 10 again, it might ask for phone number. You can still use the same phone number. So after using that phone number, the next time it might not ask for phone number again. That's how you do. But if you don't want to do that, if it is asking for phone number, if you don't want to do that, you can use VPN. Like me now, I'm using this PR VPN. I have this PR VPN. And you go to privateinternetaccess.com. This is the best VPN in my own consideration. So if you come to this site, if you go to their pricing, where is their pricing here? You can see PR. This is per month. This is the amount you are going to pay per month. If you want to pay per month, like $12 per month. So with this peer, if it is asking for phone number, just put on your peer VPN and choose any location you like and try to do it again. It won't ask for phone number again. The phone number request is going to go up. So if it's after creating maybe 10 or 20, if it is asking for phone number, I'll just go to the peer, I will choose another location again. I'm going to continue without asking for phone number. This is what I do. So if you don't want to buy peer for a month, which is just $12, you can buy it for 1 year. For 1 year now, it's going to be like 3.33 per month, then times 12. You want to buy it for a year. But if you want to buy it for 3 years, it's going to be 2.03 times 12 times 3. So things like that. So I bought it for 1 year. This is the plan I chose. The only reason I won't be able to give all of you the access to my own peer account is because you can see it is $39, like $40. So the reason why I won't be able to give you is because if you buy peer account, if 10 people log into the peer account, another person will be able to log in. They only allow 10 logins at a time. If 20 people are using it, if 10 people logged in, the rest of the 10 people will be able to log in. And so one of those 10 people log out, another person can log in again. So they only allow 10 people to log in at a time. That's why I can't give you my login, and I cannot advise all the groups or all the members of Halal Dollar community to buy one peer access. It's not possible. But in your group, you can buy it if you have money to buy it. So it's the best VPN. You are going to use it for a lot of things. You can buy it for this 1 year. That's the best. So if you can buy it, if you can buy one month, that's the best. But with this VPN, you are good to go for a lot of things we are still going to be doing later. You know, we started social media management training. You can go to the channel and check on the videos I release on that. You are still going to need this peer even for that. So peer is useful for a lot of things. But if you don't want to use this paid VPN, which is peer, you can use the free ones. The free ones like this. Hotspot sheet. This is a VPN too. They have trial version. You can use them. I haven't tried these ones before with this Outlook, but I believe it should also work. So you can also use Scribe too. You can also use another one. We call it BrowSec. BrowSec VPN. So BrowSec. It's also available for phones too, for Android, as Android app. So you can download them on Android app and log in. Create account and use it to your phone. So this scraping can be done by the people who are having phone. People who are not having laptop, they can also do this by themselves. They can create the email here. They can use Apollo, use the VPN and everything on their phone. No problem. So this is it. I said Outlook doesn't ask for phone number. I said sometimes. If it asks, you can enter your phone number. And if you don't want to do that, you can just use this VPN and change location. If you don't have money to buy this particular paid VPN, you can use the free ones. I believe they should work. So this is how you are going to be scraping using Apollo. It's not available. And this also good. A lot of people who are successful online, a lot of multimillionaires, internet multimillionaires that we know today, they started using this Apollo. So yeah, Almighty Allah assist us. So kindly like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you have any question. So inshallah, we are going to try to respond. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.